All right, I'm going to show you how to do the front of this worksheet. Okay, so we got the top half, the top 14 questions, and then the bottom 14 questions. The top 14 questions are multiplying numbers with exponents. The bottom half is dividing numbers with exponents. All right, so I'm going to do one in the beginning, one in the middle, and one in the end for each one. Not that they get any harder, but there's some different type problems. All right, so when multiplying exponents with the same base, we can expand it out like we did yesterday. 3 to the third means 3 times 3 times 3, and that's being multiplied by 3 to the third. 3 to the third means 3 times itself 3 times. 3 times 3 times 3, and we would get 3 times itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So it's 3 to the power of 6. Now your shortcut, let me zoom in a little bit. Your shortcut is to keep your base, 3 to the third times 3 to the third. We're multiplying 3 times here and 3 times here. So we can just add those exponents. 3 plus 3 is 6, and we're multiplying 3 6 times. So like let's jump down to number 14. So number 14, multiplying 4 5 times and 4 8 times. So we can just add those exponents, and how many times we multiply by 4? 5 plus 8 is 13. So we're multiplying 4 13 times. Now numbers 7 and 6 have 3 terms. So we're multiplying by 2 9 times, and then 8 more times, and then 6 more times. So we could add 9 plus 8 and then plus 6. This is way shorter than expanding it all out and counting how many 3's you have. So we have 9 2's here, plus 8 more 2's. So that's going to be 17 2's, plus 6 more 2's. So we're going to show how many 2's we have. So we have 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. So we're multiplying 2 23 times total. Yep, so we're going to do that for every single one of these. Okay, the bottom half is dividing. So we want to simplify by canceling them out. We can use subtraction to simplify. So let's do number 16, because that's a lot of 8's to write. We have 1 9 in the numerator. In our denominator, we're going to have 5 9s. So 9 to the 5th means 9 times itself 5 times. Okay, so what we can do is we have 1 9 in the numerator. That'll cancel out one of the 9's in the denominator. So that will give us a total of 4 9's in the denominator. So we're multiplying 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 9 to the 4th power. And we just need a 1 in our numerator as a placeholder. Oops, scoot that over. Right, so when we cancel out, we're actually getting less 9's. So we can subtract. We have 5 9's in the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 9 in the numerator. This 1 9 will cancel out one of these. So we can do 5 minus 1 to get 4. So let's use our shortcut to do another one. Let's do number 19. Let's do number 20, so it's not the same number. Okay, 7 to the 7th over 7 to the 8th. So I'm going to draw my fraction bar. Now we have more 7's in the denominator, so our leftover 7's will be in the denominator. We have 8 in the denominator, 7 in the numerator. So these 7 7's will cancel out 7 of these 7's. So we have 1 left over. So 7 to the 1st. Or we could write just plain 7. Now since we don't have anything in our numerator, we need a 1 as a placeholder. All right, let's do number 23. Okay, so we have 3 7's in the numerator and 9 7's in the denominator. So we have more 7's in the denominator. So I'm going to put leftovers in the denominator. Now, these will cancel out 3 in the denominator. So we're going to have 9 minus 3, 6 sevens left over in the denominator. We don't have a number in the numerator, so we have 1 as a placeholder. All right, let's do one where we got stuff in the numerator. Let's do 26. We have 7. Oh, another 7. Great. Okay, so I'm going to draw my fraction bar just out of habit. We have more 7s in the numerator than we do in the denominator. So our leftover 7s will be in the numerator. We have 7 in the numerator. I'm going to put a 1 here because we have 1 7 in the denominator. This will cancel out one of them. So we have 7 minus 1. It's going to be 6. Now I did the fraction bar. I didn't need it. You don't have to put a 1 in your denominator, but you can add a 1 in your denominator as a placeholder if you want, or you can just leave it as 7 to the 6th power. All right, so that's how you do the whole